Yogi Clan, what's up?
Yo, what's up?
Yo, where's Dookie?
And welcome back to What's Up Wednesday. I will tell you what's up on this Wednesday. I'm wondering if it's really truly Wednesday. Or maybe it's Monday. I can't tell. Because this is the third time, my third attempt at making this video. First time, the camera went crazy. I don't know what happened to it. The second time, I had no audio and there was so much background truck noise, you couldn't hear anything. So luckily, I've had a lot of appointments for work today and had to drive back and forth all over the place. So I've had multiple attempts to try to make this video. And I'm sorry that the video is coming from the truck, but you know what? Sometimes you just deal with what you gotta deal. But what's up? What's been going on in the Yogi clan and with the Yogi, with Yogi? What's going on? So this past weekend, as you saw, if you are a subscriber to this channel, if you're not a subscriber, I don't know why, but hey, there's opportunity. You can push that button now and hit that button now. But if you are a subscriber, you would have seen my video from yesterday where I got to go spend the day with my daughter, Bucky. Oh, she'll probably kill me for me saying that publicly. Yeah, Skylar's her name, but yeah. Had an awesome time. Had a great time. Did the poker run with Hell on Wheels Motorcycle Club to raise money for the Blue Ridge Campground. I don't know how much money was raised, but I hope it was something good. I hope it's at least $1,000, $2,000, I think. We had a decent turnout. Not spectacular, but you know what? It was a beautiful day in the mountains with my club brothers and with my daughter, Bucky. Who could ask for more? This weekend, heading with the boys from the club down to Florida. Gonna turn and burn trip, so it's been busy. I mean, if you keep track of the Yogi channel, you know, for the past like 2 months, there's been an event every like Saturday and I'm worn out, y'all. Every Saturday, every Sunday, every weekend. It's like, come on, can I catch a break? It's a blessing. I'm not complaining. Don't get me wrong. I am ready for a break. Really, our break is basically like from Christmas until about the second week of March when Daytona happens, and then we kick off the season yet again. So it goes from March really to December. In the South, it's almost all year long, but soon we're going to be getting a break. In the shop, I got Batman's bike done. It's got some new bars on it. Changed the tire on a bike last night. Now that those are off the lift, getting ready to put that Vulcan Nomad back on it and Miss Piggy back on it. I had told you I had some videos planned for Miss Piggy. Yep. Those are still coming. But last week and last What's Up Wednesday, I told you I was going to talk about merch. Well, unfortunately, I'm in my truck. I didn't bring my t-shirt with me to show you, but I have, you know how much I love coffee. Oh, yeah. I drink coffee all day long. You probably cut me. I'm surprised, not only would I not bleed black because I drink my coffee black, but I'm surprised that like my body doesn't eat itself from the inside out with the amount of acidity. My doctor's probably not very happy with Yogi at the moment. Hey, I enjoy it. Because I love coffee so much, I decided I needed a t-shirt designed around it. I have made it live today on Teespring. If you go down to the first link that you'll see in the comments, will take you to my Teespring account. Got a lot of awesome Yogi swag in there. Stuff that you see on my channel, from the hats to the shirts to the coffee mugs. And whatever, it's in there. Appreciate your support in there. Also, I got 2 new shirts. One, the Coffee Lover shirt. Since I didn't bring that with me, I will put a snapshot of my Teespring listing here right now. And the second shirt that I got, designed by my buddy Andrew from Saints Apparel. Check him out too. He's got some pretty cool stuff. And he designed me a pretty sweet shirt with Miss Piggy on it. I will post that here now. Isn't that pretty cool? My wife's not really a big fan of the pothead shirt. I can understand why she's not a fan of it. But dude, I think that's hilarious. And with how much I love coffee, yeah, love that shirt. I'm probably going to have to buy a couple. I just think that shirt's funny. So we got some new merch out there. New merch for Forge Brotherhood Motorcycle Club. We are coming out with some new merch also. We are busy, like I've said in past videos, trying to finish designing the website. I am seeking right now a vendor to supply us shirts. So I don't want to go out and print like 100 shirts. That's just not my... I don't want to do that because I don't want to inventory shirts. I want an on-demand printer, kind of like what I do with Yogi Cycle Service and Teespring. But I did order some sample Forge Brotherhood support shirts from Teespring, and unfortunately the print quality, it looks like It looks like an iron-on, frankly. Decal that's put on the shirt and it's heat pressed onto the shirt. And it looks like you can like scratch it and like scratch it off, and I just don't think it's going to hold up. And let's face it, I don't want to put out crap swag to y'all. I want decent swag. So I'm in the hunt for an on-demand printer that can print stuff on demand so we don't have to inventory, that can offer me hoodies, shirts, long sleeve shirts, be affordable, and put out a good product. Because the stuff that I've seen is just, it's nothing to write home about. I'm on the hunt, but as soon as I find that, and as soon as we finish the website, I can get some Forge Brotherhood Motorcycle Club swag posted on there and put some links for you guys, for anyone who's interested in that. In the meantime, we do have an inventory of about 50 support shirts. So anybody who wants a Forge Brotherhood Motorcycle Club support shirt, we are selling them for $20 each plus shipping. Hit me up at yogicycleservice@gmail.com and we'll figure out how to get you a shirt. You can just shoot us money on PayPal and I'll send you the shirt. Half the reason why I have the Teespring accounts for me, so I can order stuff for me. But if you want to order, hey, I'm happy. I'll use that money to fund things on the channel, or I'll put it towards, maybe I'll put all the money that I get off the Pothead shirt towards the hosting. Because to give you an update on there, 11,200 is our goal. We're right at about 5,500, so we're about halfway there. I thank you, Yogi Clan, for getting us halfway there. Man, a lot of fun stuff. Past 2 months have been wide open. Next weekend, probably going to take Mama on a little vacation for a couple days. Bucky will stay at home with the kids and let Mama and I get away, enjoy some time, eat some good seafood, stroll on the beach, just kind of get away and just forget about life for a few minutes. And now you know what's up. So thank you, Yogi Clan, for hanging in there for another video, and I'll catch you next What's Up Wednesday, if not sooner. All right, y'all. Peace.